Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have got an unboxing from Look Fantastic. So I know there's a few of these already out and about on YouTube, and I have been a bit nosy and I have looked at them, but I can only remember a couple of things that are in them. First thing I notice is it feels really heavy, so that's filling me full of promise. So this is the February box for 2019. It's the Valentine's box, and let's have a little look. So it is here. It's really pretty. So it's a really nice sort of like rose dusky pink with a paler baby pink on the bottom and a rose gold trim with the hashtag LF Beauty Box on the side. Little leaflet for Ocado, which is just everywhere. So this one comes in at £15 a month, including postage, and it tends to be a bit skincare heavy often, but I don't mind that, and I do like it. It's one of my favourite boxes, and it's not disappointed really so far. So let's get stuck in. There's always a little quote on the inside of the lid, and then I forget about it. And it says, if I turn it the right way around, there we go. Love is like the sunshine, trickling through the clouds on a rainy day, inescapable and ever present. Hashtag LF Beauty Box. So yeah, there's your quote of the month. So inside here, so this is what it looks like. It comes like this. You get the little Look Fantastic beauty box, and you also get a copy of Elle magazine, and then there is our box. And I always forget, this is probably what adds to the weight and why I always think it feels really heavy. So this is a complete version of Elle, but it's made in the smaller size. It recommended retail price is £4.50. I do wish that they would maybe consider asking us if we want to opt in or out of this, just to sort of save on printing and things. I never read it, and well, very rarely. I might flick through it, but I'm not really that bothered about it, and I'm happy to pay the same price without it, or maybe we could get it for a quid cheaper if we don't get the magazine. That'd be nice. So little booklet gives us a sneak peek for next month, and so the sneak peek for March is the Ordinary's hyaluronic acid 2%. So that is really good. Hyaluronic acid is fab. It can hold loads of its own weight in water, so I think it's about 10 times its own molecular weight in water or something like that. I don't quite know the science, but anyway, it is great. It helps bring moisture into your skin, and it is vegan friendly, and yeah, it looks really good. So that's that there, if you're interested on signing up this month so you can get it ahead for next month. So yeah, inside here it tells us all the details of the products. Plus there's also usually a couple of other little features and things. There's a little bit here about pre-date skincare, a little bit about first date essentials. I'm quite past that stage. What else is there? The wearable guide to blushing pink tones, and hosting a Valentine's Day brunch. So yeah, and there's a few other things as well. Is there? No, the rest are about the products. So let's get stuck in. That's why we are here. So it comes with this pretty tissue, little sticker. I'm going to make a hash of it and show you guys. There we go. I can now remember what was in here now. I've had a quick glance. So I'm going to pop it down here and let's get looking. So Look Fantastic don't let you know the prices of the items in the box. However, lucky for you, I do a split screen. So if you look, which side is it on? I think it'll be on this side. No, this side. I will have all the information of all the products, including prices and things, and there you can get. I'll maybe put some links down below where you can get them. If that's something you want, let me know. So first item is the Philip Kingsley Maximizer, and that is it there. So it says, so Philip Kingsley, a volumizing styling spray for fine and limp hair, providing volume and body. This spray holds hair in place while smoothing frizz and adding shine. A spray that can be used on either wet or dry hair. This is a hair care essential. Splits into the roots for a lift and spray through mid-lengths and the ends of your hair for volume and boost. And you can also use it on dry hair to set your style in place. I really like Philip Kinsley, their elasticizer is incredible, and it is a really, really lovely hair care brand. So let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells really lovely, and it's a really, really fine mist, so I'll be interested to give that a go. Next thing we've got are some eyelash curlers, and they're in a lovely rose gold. And they've got spare rubber, what do you call them? Not bands, but I know what I mean, I'll show you. So these are them here. The rose gold, and you've got spare of these little rubber protector bands there, which are here, which you can put on. And it says it is what? Emite Rose Gold Eyelash Curlers. Curl your lashes to perfection with this ergonomically designed eyelash curler. With a comfortable grip, this curved design fits a variety of eye shapes whilst minimising risk of smudging any other makeup. The eyelash curler's round silicone rubber pad guarantees a lasting intense curl. Then just gently clamp the upper lashes and firmly squeeze the clamps together to create a curl. Don't clamp your lashes for over 3 seconds, as this will crimp them, not curl them. So that's a really, really good tip, because I didn't know that. So yes, so that's the next item. Next thing we have is this, and we did actually get this in one of our boxes last month, and it is a Douce mascara, and it's a Douce Punk mascara, and I'm sure it says Punk Volumizer, yeah, Punk Volumizer, and it just says create fuller looking lashes with this lightweight yet smooth formula that creates long lasting results without clumping, smudging or fading, with a brush that has both long and short bristles. This mascara amplifies, separates curls and coats lashes from root to tip. So just apply in small sections using a brush to separate and lengthen the lashes. Apply this mascara in a zigzag motion to ensure each lash is individually coated. So I'm not going to open it just now because I have got loads on. However, I've got one here, which is my one that I'm currently using, and I'll show you on here what the brush looks like. Oh, that's interesting. This is a different brush, is it? That looks like a really big, or maybe not, maybe it's shorter that side at the bottom and longer at the top. It's very hard to tell. I've never ever noticed before. However, I'm going to have to open it now because if you look on here, you can definitely see that this is one side that's small, one side that is long. So let's just open it up and see. Well, it looks exactly the same to me. That doesn't look like the picture. I wouldn't say there was an obvious long and short side. I'm just looking as I rotate it. But that's what it says. So I have two open now. So I shall get using that. Next thing we have is a lip crayon by Lord & Berry. And it's Maxi Matte Crayon Lipstick in the shade Intimacy. So I'm imagining that is why it's in, because of the Valentine's box. So what does it say? It says achieve high pigmented colour with this Lord & Berry matte lipstick pencil with a silky smooth formula that glides effortlessly onto the lips. This lipstick pencil delivers long lasting coverage that will last all day. Use lipstick pencil to line the outside of lips and then fill in with lipstick. Take advantage of the multi-use formula and use this lipstick as a blush. So let's have a little look. It looks the type of shade I like. It looks like a mauvey nude. It's really creamy. It feels soft, and that is it there. And I'm just wondering, would that rub out to be a blusher? Actually, yes, it would. And I didn't think it was going to do that. I mean, it's a bit bright, but you could maybe put less on, because I had put quite a bit on there. But yeah, so that's it there. I've now got a stained finger. So that's actually a really nice shade. I do like that. Next thing we have is a little palette by Sleek. And this is the Sleek Makeup Face Form Palette. This is a face shaping essential. This contour palette enhances the complexion, containing a matte contour shade, a flushed blush and a dewy highlighter. This is a makeup essential perfect for defining your features. These lightweight yet pigmented powders blend easily into the skin, creating a perfectly diffused and healthy complexion. So it's got a contour, it's got a blush and a highlighter. And I'm not sure if I've got this already, so let me just check very, very quickly. Because if I have, I'll use that one rather than opening a new one. But I might not have, but I thought that I did have. I actually can't see it, which is a bit strange. So maybe I don't have it, in which case I can open and swatch this one. There we go. So I was meant to film this last night, however, my husband's been away at the treatment centre having an intensive physio on his legs last week and this week, and he came home last night. He's very sick, he's not well, he's either got the flu or maybe tonsillitis or something, but he's really unwell. Anyway, enough about that. So here's the palette. I've opened it up and it has the contour, your highlighter and your blush. So we'll do it that way so you can see properly. So that's it there. It's very nice shades. So let's have a little look here. We'll swatch. So this is the contour shade. It's actually quite a nice shade. And then we've got the blush, which is here. So that is actually, ooh, it's very shimmery. It's got a gold shimmer and it's very peachy pink. I'm not sure if it's my type of shade. And then we've got the highlighter, which is looks quite subtle actually, and looks like a peachy highlighter. So I'm not sure about the blusher, but the bronzer looks nice and the highlighter looks quite nice. They might work together, but yes, there we are. And then final product is this by Erno Lazio, and it is Exfoliate and Detox, and it is so it's a sea mud bath. This is a deep sea mud bath. This is something a bit different to what we've had before, and it says harness the therapeutic benefits of deep sea mud with this detoxifying cleansing bar containing 26 minerals. This bar protects, restores and cleanses skin, leaving the complexion soft and radiant. Containing glycerin, this bar seals in and ensures optimum moisture levels whilst maintaining the skin's pH levels. So that sounds really, really good. It just says use following a cleansing oil as part of a double cleansing ritual. Dampen the bar and then massage over the face, creating a lather. It says you can use the contours of the bar to stimulate circulation and encourage lymphatic drainage. So obviously if you're into your double cleansing, that's great. If you've got any, it doesn't say to use their cleansing oil, it just says you can use it as from a cleansing oil. So you could use your cleansing balms and then follow up with this. And so it's a nice little bar like that, so that's really convenient to take away with you, and you probably won't need very much, and it'd be interesting to see how long it lasts. It is 17 grams. Just trying to see. I'll open it up and see if it's got a fragrance. And it does. I'm not sure if it's a nice one. It's one of those, it might smell better once it's wet. But that's the bar of soap there. There we go. And it's one of those, it's a bit curved. It'll probably go in your hand quite nicely and lather up. So I'm really, I'm really excited to try this. It's something different to what we normally get. So rather than getting another facial cleanser or something, one of these little facial bars is quite a nice product to try. And that's your jolly lot. So an interesting box, a different type of box really to usual. A bit of everything. So we've got some hair care, we've got some makeup, so obviously like face and lips. We've got a mascara, we've got a tool with the eyelash curler, and then the some skincare with the soap. So I think that's a really nice combination of items. I definitely think it's worth the money. I think we've got a good value box. I dare say some people will probably have some things to say about some of the items, but I quite like them. So where's my little box gone for my soap? Let me put it back in here so that I can show you all properly. Yeah, so that's it. I have got a code, I think, down below. Have I got a code? Yes, I've got a code. I'll pop it on the screen now. So if you're wanting to get some money off your box, you can use my code. I think it's Marcia-R1. In fact, yes, it is. Yes, it is Marcia-R1. So I'll put that across the screen. I'll put a link down below. I'll put a link in the comments section also. I have also just recently got a Facebook page for my beauty things and unboxings and that. I'm really hard to find on Facebook. I don't know why, but if you search Mawa, you should hopefully find me, or Lady Mawa. But it's not a page, I am as a person, so you need to search the people tab and you may well find me. I'll probably pop a few posts as well on some of the maybe on the Look Fantastic page. So if you pop over there, you may find me that way. But you know, if not, you'll come across me at some point. So there we are. That's my box. I think it's I like it. I think it's a good box. Don't know if it's a Valentine's box, but you can certainly get ready, and with the names of the products and things, I think, you know, it's quite nice. So I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing. A bit later than what I had expected, but yeah, it's kind of like YouTube can get just swamped with unboxings. When everyone gets them, there's just like so many videos that go up and are uploaded. So I'm just wondering if it'd be better off like hanging fire for like, would you rather me wait like a week after I get them so you're not inundated with boxes? I just don't know quite what to do. Or would you maybe prefer me to come back maybe in about 10 days and maybe do my unboxing now, then in 10 days come back and review the products that we've got and try them on and see what we think and that, and I can give you like a sort of review of how they've worked for me. Whatever you want really, just let me know. So I'm going to go and have my tea, and my glossy box I think is coming next, so it's either going to be here tomorrow or Friday, but hopefully, fingers crossed, we will still be going on holiday to Tenerife at the weekend, as long as my hubby is not too ill. If he's too sick, we'll just have to cancel and we can go somewhere next month. But we'll play it by ear. I think he feels determined he's going to go, but we'll wait and see. So yeah, thank you so much for all your comments. You know that I just really appreciate them all, and I always try and reply back to all of you. And also thank you to all my subscribers, because I've just hit 1.7 thousand subscribers. I know I said prescribers, but so yeah, I've just hit 1,700, which is just crazy. I can't even imagine it. So thank you so much to everybody. I really, really appreciate it. I'm gonna go. I've rambled on far too much. See you later, guys. Bye.